As they say, karma is a bitch. Powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake has struck Russia, and a volcanic eruption has begun. Kamchatka was hit. Aftershocks were felt up to 108 kilometers from the epicenter. Ash emissions from the Shiveluch volcano pose a threat to aviation. Ukrainians destroyed the second of the remaining 3 bridges over River Seim in Kursk region. Aim is to hinder Russian army supplies coming to the front between Tyotkino and Venezapnoe. Multiple Russian sources report that the Russian army surrendered another 15 square kilometers of Kursk Oblast to Ukraine, withdrawing its forces over the Seim River and handing the village Otruba to the Ukrainians. A large Russian force in the border areas is now virtually cut off from supplies. After Russian soldiers of the 155th Marine Brigade cut off the head of a Ukrainian and stuck it on a staff, their units are now the primary target of Ukrainian kamikaze drones in the Kursk region. Here, a BTR-82A is destroyed. A unit from the Russian 810th Brigade abandoned their positions near Koronevo, Kursk region. Company commander was captured.
Младший лейтенант Ткачев Андрей Андреевич, командир роты 1-го мотострелкового батальона 810-й бригады морской пехоты. Взят в плен 225-й ОШБ. Прошу обменять меня на пленных азовцев, защитников Мариуполя.
Recently, Russians have begun seriously discussing the possibility of defeat. This post by Roman Alekin on Telegram has garnered 2 million views. While they still insist they can't lose, the outcry is growing louder. The blame is largely placed on relentless corruption and lies. And I'm left wondering, did they just now realize this? Even when I was very young, I knew that stealing and lying were rampant in Russia. So from the start, the outcome of this venture was, if not predetermined, certainly fraught with serious doubts about their ability to carry it through successfully. Now they've cornered themselves into this situation, thinking that the entire nation will suddenly mobilize, rise up, the authorities will stop lying, and victory will follow. What a farce about a possible defeat. Comrades majors, let's again together convey to the minds in the studios that Stalin not only told the truth, but he also crushed thieves in the armed forces very harshly. He physically destroyed traitors. He created SMERSH. He did not flirt with the enemy. He mobilized the economy and etc. And did not just say, we can lose the war. So people, get up and win. Mobilization must be universal, not just popular. Universal. This includes all media and all culture and all education and all power and all oligarchs, and then the entire people along with the rest. What can we say about them? I would like the generals to mobilize already and not continue to command and live as before. And we will take cold showers the more often the more our officials and generals demand only warm and comfortable showers for themselves. The reasons for the cold shower are in management, certainly in our case, because they only require good information to the top, and the messenger carrying bad news is executed. For how many months did you have information on the accumulation of enemy forces in the Sumy region? Every few? In how many weeks did you and other colleagues have almost 100% information that there would be an attack on the Kursk region, also in a couple of weeks? Well, within about a week or two, when we realized that there was no response to the intelligence data, we began to publish this information altogether publicly. But such information was brushed aside because the top of the general staff was uncomfortable with it. This is the reason for communication problems, because you can't make a working decision based on a lie while wearing rose-colored glasses. Because of this, communication collapsed. Because of this, the evacuation began late. Because of this, further there may be discredit and unnecessary information. I repeat again and again, in this war, most soldiers died due to lies, suppression, and softening of information. From the platoon commander to the general staff and above. Did you wash your face with a cold shower? Start demanding the truth from your subordinates, whatever it may be. This is needed to win. Tell the higher-ups about the real quantitative composition of companies and battalions. Start considering lies as your main enemy. After all, the main slogan at the start of the SMOT was, "Whoever has the truth is stronger." That's exactly what it is. Remember about it. The truth will go from below to the very top, and we will become strong and invincible. And I will answer the speaker. We cannot lose. This cannot even be allowed. And our soldiers will not allow this. Believe me, I see them on Kursk land every day. And they don't lie to me. And I don't lie to the readers. Thanks to the support of the Warthog Defense community, Ukraine Aid Operations was able to deliver an enormous amount of FPVs, surveillance drones and jammers to the units fighting in the Kursk region. What started originally as a fundraiser for the 22nd Brigade has now turned to one of the biggest fundraisers for our Kursk warriors. If somebody still wants to support the units fighting in the Kursk region, can still donate to the fundraiser in the description.
So everything you see right now around me, like behind me, everything is going to Kursk direction. This is not everything yet. There will be more to come, so do stay tuned with us and follow our delivery.
Так, починається видача допомоги на Курський напрямок, а саме 22-й бригаді та іншим, хто відстоює нашу свободу, нашу землю. Це все поїде на Курськ, на нашу Курськ.
Wednesday, 14th of August, and we have received the items sent from Kyiv warehouse to we thank very much the 130th Battalion for their help in bringing all this stuff to which will be then delivered. Have a look how much stuff we got here. So we're all unloading this for now, and then we are driving to Kursk direction. And this is not all. I'm still expecting a lot of stuff to be sent by the Nova Poshta, and yes, so stay tuned.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.